Hello again, I'm back with another video, and this time I wanted to introduce to you my Mobeetle6 Plus, which is a customization version of the Mobeetle6. So the way I designed this is, first of all, I took the Meteor65 frame. The reason why I chose this is, number one, yeah, I love the black color, but also it feels a little bit stiffer to me. Following that, I replaced the twin blade props with 3 blade props. These are from HQProp. I'll put the details in the description. And this allowed me to get a bit more punch out of this little device. Next, I replaced the connector with a BT2.0 connector. And as everyone knows, this kind of gives you a bit more efficiency and a bit more power. Next, I took the canopy from Thingiverse. This is Angry Don's, I can't remember the title, the description, I will provide you the details. But I took Angry Don's canopy design. I made it a little bit narrower, a little bit thinner, just to cut off some weight. And I've printed it in black, obviously. And then finally, as you can see, if you see under the camera, I added some foam there. And the reason why I added the foam, because I wanted to insert my Tattu batteries up here on the top, and this would protect the board and move things in place like that. And that's about it. So the reason why I reduced the size or the weight of the canopies, because I really wanted to get the weight down. The 3 blade props would bring the weight up quite a bit. And of course the BT2.0 connector is a little bit heavier as well. But by reducing the canopy weight, it still managed to get it down to, let me just get this right, 17.6. So it's only 0.1 of a gram heavier than the stock. So I'm really glad about that. But now I've got those 3 blade props to give me a bit more power. Alright, so let me show you a video on how this flies. Apologies in advance, my flying skills are terrible, but it may give you an idea of how it flies. Okay, so it flew great. I was getting up to 5 minutes flight time with this, so this has been amazing. I do have one issue though, is that having the battery mounted up the top like that, the cable does put some pressure on the battery, so it's always mounted in an uneven way, and that does 2 things. That eventually twists the camera on an angle a little bit, but also it puts a lot of pressure on that screw. And my first screw, got torn out. Eventually I had to get even a longer screw, so I did fix that. But to be honest, I don't think it's a great design. That pressure on the board and on the camera is not ideal. So it was fun to fly, but I'm going to make another change, I think. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try the inverted style, which is putting the camera up on the side here. And that would eliminate the need for a canopy altogether, which would reduce the weight even more. So I'm really, really excited to try that. I think the Square One has been doing some videos recently about that. That got me inspired to try it as well. So stay tuned for that one. And yeah, if you have any comments, let me know. And hopefully I'll be back with another video with an inverted design. Alright, thanks very much. Have a great one.